Hello, in today's tutorial, you will learn how to submit your health form via text message. Each morning, you will receive a text message from the school. Here we are. So you tap it and open up the link. It will open up in whatever web browser you have, and it will bring up a greetings page. You have 2 health screenings available from the Prairie School for Tuesday, October 27th. So here we have Bennett and Austin, the 2 individuals that will need to submit forms for the day. So let's click on Bennett. As you'll see, similar to the paper forms, they're asking for your symptoms. So if you have any symptoms, you can just select them and then answer, is your temperature above 100.3 degrees? So in this case, we're feeling good, no fever, submit. Upon submission, you'll see a green check mark. You've been approved to come to school. See you soon. Date 10/27. Now these are only applicable for the day they were submitted, so not for the day before, not for the day after. As you'll see, there is a QR code. The upper school will be utilizing the QR codes. Primary and middle school do not need to worry about this. Upon completion, you can go back to available screens or back to list at the top or the bottom, and this will take you back to the greetings page. So let's go to Austin now. Let's say Austin has lost his taste of smell, and then digestive problems and fatigue. Is your temperature above 100? Yes. So, upon submission, you will see you have presented symptoms potentially contagious to others. Please stay home and contact a healthcare professional, 10/27. So, upon going back to the greetings page, you'll see Bennett has been completed, Austin has been denied. Now, upon submission, the Prairie School will receive this information instantaneously. Now, if you've made a mistake, if you go back in, you can't edit it. So if you have sincerely made a mistake, please contact your division assistant and they will be able to help you out. Now, also, if you get distracted or whatnot, if you close it out, you can always get back in. That's not a problem. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you.